Yes, people, welcome to a new review and comparison between Revolut and Monzo. And Revolut and Monzo are two prominent digital banks that have gained popularity for their innovative banking solutions and user-friendly mobile apps. In this comparison, we assesses the key features, pros and cons of each to help you decide which one might be the better fit for your financial needs. Well, Revolut, the pros. Multi-currency accounts. Revolut allows you to hold and exchange multiple currencies with competitive exchange rates, making it an excellent choice for frequent travelers or international transactions. Cryptocurrency support. It offers the ability to buy, sell, and hold various cryptocurrencies within the app, providing a unique feature for those interested in digital assets. Global spending. With Revolut, you can spend abroad at interbank exchange rates and avoid hidden currencies conversion fees. Budgeting tools. The app includes budgeting and analytic tools that help users track spending and manage finances effectively. Very nice. Security features. Revolut offers advanced security features such as ability to freeze and unfreeze your card instantly from the app and control over card settings. Well, the cons. Limited banking service. Revolut primarily focuses on spending currencies, exchange and cryptocurrency services, so it may not be suitable for individuals looking for a full range of banking services. Fees for premium features. Some advanced features such as access to cryptocurrencies and premium customer support come with subscription-based fees. Very nice to know. Monzo. Well, some pros of Monzo. It's user-friendly. Monzo is known for its user-friendly app, making it easy for customers to manage their finances and track spending. Transparent fees. Monzo prides itself on transparent free fee structures, offering competitive exchange rates for foreign transactions and no hidden fees. Saving features. Monzo offers saving pods and integration with third-party saving providers to help users save money effectively. Instant notifications. You receive real-time notifications for every transaction made with your Monzo card, enhancing security. Full UK banking services. Monzo provides a full suite of banking services including overdrafts, direct debits and salary deposits. There are some cons. Limited international features. While Monzo is excellent for UK-based users, it may not offer as robust international services as Revolut, especially for frequent travelers. Limited cryptocurrency support. Unlike Revolut, Monzo doesn't support cryptocurrency transactions or holding within the app. Well, what's now the conclusion of both comparing? Choosing between Revolut and Monzo depends on your specific financial needs and priorities. If you require multi-currency support, cryptocurrency service and often deal with international transactions, Revolut might be the better choice for you. But if you prefer a user-friendly app, transparent fees structure and access to full UK banking services, Monzo could be a more suitable option. Both Revolut and Monzo are unique features and benefits, so consider your financial goals at the services that align with them when making your decision. It's also worth noting that some users opt to use both platforms simultaneously to take advantage of the strength of each. I hope you can make your choice based on this review. Hope to see you soon and subscribe if you like this video, and we see you in the next video, and I want to wish you a very, very pleasant day. Thank you for listening and see you in the next one. Bye bye.